In front of me is Realme 7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on microphone icon at the top right corner. If you can't see it, select this gear one instead. Tap on voice typing and use this switcher to activate it. Then go back to your keyboard and click on No Visible Microphone. Then hit Allow. Tap on Microphone again and this time start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, tap on the same microphone again. If it doesn't work properly, you need to get closer to your device and then speak. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!